Hello and welcome to rganic-media channel, and in this video I am going to discuss a right way of learning digital marketing. Or you can say how I am learning digital marketing. As you know, I am from a web development background, which is front-end development. So I moved from front-end development to digital marketing sites. So if you don't know me, currently I am doing freelancing as Facebook advertiser in my own country, Nepal. So currently I have handled 3 clients, and I am right now onboarding one of the clients which has B2B business of wholesale clothes internationally. So yeah, let me walk you through how I am learning digital marketing. So to understand these things, first you need to understand human psychology, how human thinks. So human thinks based on the data that he has, or collected enough data that he can make that he can use to come to the decision or start thinking, and this is how things work. So based on the data we conclude things. So the data comes from 2 ways. One of the ways is which we call natural default way, and the second is custom. For example, let me explain these 2 things. First, which is we call default, comes from when a child is born. For example, babies from the day 1, the babies know how to cry and how to suck mother breast. So these things, the child knows by default. This is the first party, as you can see, first party data. So yeah, this is the first party data. This is comes by default. Second, which we call universal data. Universal data means in this process the way human behaves. For example, 1-year child or 1.5-year child, if you hit the back of their head, the child will start looking here and there. Who hits me? This is the first one. Second, law of contradiction. For example, if a baby has a doll, and his doll somewhere, what do you call, hidden, and if a baby find a doll in one of the corner of the room, and the same baby will not look for the same doll in another room, because the baby found the doll or a toy, you can say. So this is second point, and this is how human thinks. What I am explaining is human psychology, how human thinks. So far I have explained 2 things. One is default, and the second is universal, and the third we have, which we call a lot of data feeding into our brain through environment. And we have something called today is internet. As they say, today we became one village. So a lot of information is out there on the internet. So from that we perceive a lot of thoughts, and we conclude a lot of things. So I will explain this third point in detail. So actually, how I am learning digital marketing. Actually, I have watched 2 of the videos from the digital marketing agency, not digital marketing agency, digital marketers who have been working in digital marketing for a decade. So let me mention 2 of them, and there are a lot of more. First one example is Wes from senatorwerunads, and currently he is working in Germany in food delivery company as a client side, and yeah, he has a lot of experience in Middle East like Dubai, Kuwait, and other European countries. So I will recommend to watch his videos just to get motivation. Second is Umar Tazkeer from India. He has a channel, Umar Tazkeer. He is also an experienced guy, and he handles clients, as well as he put a lot of tutorials related to digital marketing. So I will recommend you to connect with these 2 guys, and there are more, but I will not give you a lot of information, a lot of YouTubers, because it can be overloaded for you. So I would say go for this tutorial, because most of the tutorials and those who talk about digital marketing, making quick money, making affiliate marketing, they haven't been working in in digital marketing industry. And they have a lot of theories, and they have a one-time gig mentality. So, and most of the time they put wrong expectations, unrealistic expectation. For example, there is a YouTube channel called Dabney, and if you go to his channel, if you look his thumbnail and the way he speaks, is you can easily recognize that this is unrealistic and a wrong way of learning digital marketing. So he has a lot of videos like make $100 per day, $200 per week, something like that, and this type of videos watched by a lot of college graduates or those who are beginner in digital marketing. So I will request you to avoid the noise on the internet. So listen to limited people, those who are working in digital marketing agency, because they will share you the insight. Look at the videos of OS on senatorwerunads. Actually, this channel name is extracted from his channel, senatorwerunads. Now somehow I thought, then why not should I open a channel for digital marketing as a student? So please, I am not a digital marketing guru, or I don't have enough experience. So that's why I'm telling you, go to these two YouTubers, and they have a specialized in digital marketing. This is the first one is human psychology, and get connect with the right people. And the third point I'm going to mention is be specialized in one technology and have all concepts of all the domains. For example, I'm focusing more on paid ads like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and I have also the knowledge about SEO, SEO, and a little bit of graphic designing. So I have this knowledge, technical SEO, how to set up a website. All these things I know, but I'm doing specialized in actually Facebook ads ecosystem. So first specialized in one ecosystem, then keep eye on other things. This will help you a lot, because the digital marketing agency expect you a specialization nowadays. So yeah, and we have, when you learn digital marketing, there are two types of company that will hire digital marketer. For example, one is client side and another is agency side. So agency side means when you work with agency, a lot of clients come from different domains, from real estate, e-commerce, travels and tourism, education, and a lot of you get involved in a lot of business domains and a lot of business owners. So you have a great exposure on a lot of things. When it comes to client side, it is specific. As I mentioned, Waze is working in Germany, which is food delivery. So it only focuses on food delivery. So this is called client side, and the other one, where we have a lot of business domains that you can get a chance to work with, that is called agency side. So if you are beginner, if you have choice to work on this, choice to make to work on this platform, choose agency side, and later on you can move on to client side. But if you don't have a choice, again you can go with client side. But right now I am doing freelancing. So after that, my plan is freelancing, then I will go to other stuff. So yeah, so far I have mentioned three things: human psychology first, second, I have mentioned connect with tech industry people, third, I have mentioned specialized in one thing, and the fourth thing is you need to know the requirements of a digital marketing agency. So a lot of times it was asked to Waze from Senator Ads that what company is looking in digital marketing for entry-level positions. So he mentioned two things: specialization and BI and analytics. So business intelligence and analytical skills. How you perceive the information, the data that the company have, and how you can convert the data into meaningful insights and you can use in your campaign. It's not just about running Facebook ads, just set up a ad set, copy, set up ad copy, local targeting location, and set up analytics. That's it. No. But when the company has a data from the campaign, how you can actually examine and put your analytical skills to extract meaningful information and that you can use in marketing. So yeah, this is the fourth point, BI and analytics. And I would say fifth point is gig mentality. Avoid the gig mentality. For example, making quick money with affiliate marketing. You can a lot of unrealistic promises on YouTube. So yeah, this is how you should consider digital marketing. Now there are some steps that you can also do. For example, learn WordPress development, how web page is created, difference between website and landing pages. First thing. Second is understand the fundamentals of marketing. No matter how much we have tools in digital marketing, AI tools, customer tools, analytical tools, graphic designing tools, but if you don't understand the fundamentals of marketing, because at the end of the day, digital marketing is marketing. So you need to understand the fundamental of marketing. So what is marketing? Traditional versus modern day marketing. How marketing is done previously in, and how marketing is done today, and why companies use marketing, and what are the benefits of digital marketing, and how much investment is in digital marketing. So these are the fundamentals of digital marketing. You can watch videos on YouTube, fundamentals of marketing, like you have a whole concept of marketing, like SEO, landing page, and digital marketing terminology like CTR, and frequency, and what do you call the impression. What are these terms means? This comes under all the fundamentals of marketing. So make sure you have a strong fundamentals of marketing knowledge. Or you can read a book. Currently I'm reading the book is Truth, Lies and Advertising by John Taylor, which is very good book. So I would recommend this one. And the second book I recommend, Ogilvy on Advertising. So I have these two books, and I will post some key points from this book in this channel. So yeah, and third, the step that I would say that you should have understanding of graphic design, UI and UX. You don't have to be expert, but you should have enough knowledge of UI and UX, user experience and interface, so that you can communicate with graphic designer to create beautiful and highly optimized and best advert assets for marketing campaigns, like images, GIFs, videos, and a lot of things. So you should have a UI and UX understanding. All the things I will mention, that you should know how to set up a website, buy a domain and set up a website. And as I mentioned previously, you should know the WordPress basic development, how to manage web. And then you need to learn one ad stack. For example, currently I'm in Facebook ad stack. So because not much of the Nepalis here invest on digital marketing, so they start with Facebook advertising. This is very cheap compared to Google Ads. So, but Google Ads has a very high intent because user manually search for things, and the conversion rate is very high compared to impression-based apps or website like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. So yeah, and you should also have analytical skills, like you can use Google Analytics, Microsoft Clarity, and yeah, this thing. And do the last thing I would mention, that implement practical knowledge on yourself or on your arounders, like what I'm doing. So you can start with yourself. You can set up a traffic campaign on Facebook ads when you learn what is ad manager, business manager, and what is ad set, and what is ad creatives, and when you learn what is what do you call the Facebook's pixel, how you can integrate on website. These things, learn and implement these things, and it is all about struggle. So then you can either do freelancing, start with freelancing, or you can join internship in a company. So yeah, this is how you progress. You go to these things, and then this is how you will learn in digital marketing. This is how I am learning, actually. This is how I am learning digital marketing right now. So in 2023 June, actually it's very hot. So here in Nepal.